Alright guys, so what we got here is a vacuum contest here. It's a dust test, whatever we got. Alright, so we're going to start out by using my Eureka Airspeed. It's a great machine that I have that I went crazy in the thrift store over because I was so excited to get it. And if it fails, we'll use this my one-of-a-kind Hoover Wind Tunnel self-propelled upright vacuum, ultra upright vacuum, which is a great machine, whatever. It's a great machine. And if everything else fails, we'll use the rigid shop vac and clean the rest of it up. So we got some shredded paper here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but these are sawdust. That's over here. And here's some, I don't know, I stole some dryer fuzzies I stole from the laundry room. And just to show you guys, this is all ground into the carpet here. So this is all the dust I have. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start with the Eureka Airspeed. Okay, so alright, move the bucket of sawdust. Alright, vacuum is plugged in. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. It has got a canister, fresh canister, just been emptied. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. It's picking it up. Alright, so we did all the, let's go on the dryer leg. Alright, got all the dryer, let's move on to the shredded paper. Okay, not doing bad. Let's go ahead and turn on the carpet high. Doing the same. Oh, look at the canister. You guys see the canister filling up with all that paper. So let's go ahead and finish it up. Still sucking. Alright, pretty much all gone. There may still a little bit of sawdust left in there, but I pretty much take that because sawdust is hard to get out. But anyways, y'all can see right here, this is how the shredded paper and sawdust got stuck up in here. Well, oh, I see. It was probably having a little trouble there because this is the filter is right in there and it can get clogged very easily. So let's go ahead and see what we got and put it all back on the floor. Just a little bit of a, never mind. Not bad, not great job for the Eureka Airspeed. So I say that thing for an upright did an awesome job. Now we'll go ahead and try the wind tunnel after I go ahead and clean the rest of this up, so we'll have a fresh start. So to do that, we're going to hit the rigid shop vac. This is bullshit to get on your carpet. Alright, so anyways, let's go ahead and try out the wind tunnel. Yes, I put it back over here. Let's go ahead and try out the Hoover Wind Tunnel. See what it can do. We still recording? Yes. Give it a generous amount of this. Paper shreddings. We'll give it a little bit more because it's a regular, you know, household residential vacuum. Give it some sawdust. Rub it in. Oh, I ran out of, you know, dryer fuzzies, dryer lint, whatever. All right, so guys, here's the core. Here is the wind tunnel by Hoover. Let's plug it up and try it out. All right, I gotta be careful of my SD card because it could run out of memory. All right, so the Eureka Airspeed has a 12 amps max power. The power amps this has, it probably has 12. So let's see what it does. Okay, well the Hoover definitely took a little bit longer than the Eureka Airspeed. So, but anyways, that does it for this video. Just comment and subscribe for more.